Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account in the Trivago application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the account section, click on the edit profile button. And at the bottom of the page, click on the delete my account button. And there's a little notification on what will happen if you want to delete your account. So if you are confirmed, then just click on the delete button and your account is deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.